Hi everyone, today I will show you how to install and register to Magestore POS on Shopify platform. To use Magestore POS, first you need to generate a custom app from Shopify admin and then configure this custom app to get access to Magestore POS. First, you need to open the settings page of Shopify. In the App and Sale Channel tab, click on the button Develop Apps, and then select Allow Custom App Development. Next, create an app. Fill in the app name and select the app developer. Here you can type Magestore POS and our app boy is our app developer. And then click on the Create App button. To integrate Magestore POS, you must configure the admin scope for the newly created custom app. In the configuration app of this custom app, click on the Configure button of Admin API Integration, and then select 19 scopes below. First one is write and read assided fulfillment orders. Next is write and read customers. Next is read discount, write and read draft orders, read inventory, read locations, write and read merchant managed fulfillment orders, write and read orders, read price rules, read product listings, write and read products, read locales, and finally, write and read third-party fulfillment orders. And when done, click on Save. The Install App button will then be enabled. Click on that to complete creating a custom app. Okay, so you have installed Magestore POS app successfully. Now let's build the connection to the Magestore POS. To activate the Magestore POS app, firstly, you need to get 3 fields from your customer app. First one is access token. Remember that the admin API access token can be only reviewed once, so we suggest you to save it into your browser for later usage. The second is API key, and last is API secret key. After getting the custom app's API access token and API key, access the Magestore POS URL admin.pos.magestore.com. If the login screen won't be shown first, click on the Sign Up Here button for registration. In the Create an Account page, fill in all required fields. First one is store key. This is the prefix of your Shopify URL in front of the .myshopify.com. Next is username. Fill in an easy-to-remember username for login to both POS admin and POS checkout. Next is password and password confirmation. Fill in at least 7 characters for passwords, with both numeric and alphabetical ones. Once you enter valid content, click the Sign Up button to move to the Shopify integration page. Fill in the API access token, API key, and API secret key saved in the above step. And then click the Activate App button to start using the Magestore POS app. There are 2 available pricing plans, Light and Standard, to activate the app. Please try for free after activating the app successfully. After selecting locations, you need to proceed billing with PayPal, and remember that our pricing is based on the location. 1 license for 1 location. For example, if you have 2 physical stores, you need to pay for 2 licenses to use POS in these 2 stores. And you can still change or upgrade the plan even after you subscribe to another. Once you have activated the app successfully, set up POS data first. such as POS locations, roles, staff, etc. You can find our detailed demo for this setup in another video, but for quick guidance, you can go to the POS guideline to set up the basic functions like manage POS, roles, staff, and other configurations as well. And that's all about Magestore POS installation. If you have any difficulties or questions during the process, feel free to contact us for further support. Thank you.